What I want you to take note about this question, even if I can prefer that you can even take this approach, because this one it seems to be much more easier. The bad thing, guys, about this approach, it's because it involves decimals. Yeah, something that involves decimals sometimes will kind of confusing, but these two answers are still one and the same there. Because if this number I can round it off into a whole number, it will become like this there, as you can see. Do you see? The thing about this question, guys, I change those fractions to decimal form, then I solve there like this, then I divide, I end up getting that. But all of these things, guys, when you round it off into a decimal number, into a whole number, it will give you an answer which is the same as that there. But you will check there on the memo the way they approach, and you might find out that they use this method from a memo. Yeah. So guys, this question, man, don't think that they are so hard. This question, they only need you to apply what you understand. Just like this one, they determine the length of this thing there, of this line, HF there. Where is it? HF. Do you see? And what they need you to do there, guys, they need you to apply a distance equation there. So let me show you how to apply a distance equation. Remember, your distance equation, here's your distance equation. You will copy it at the back of your formula sheet. Meaning that one is your distance equation. Guys, yeah, this one is your distance equation. Then let me first write it, which is here. I'll say here it's x2 minus x12 plus y2 minus this there. And now let's focus from the line there. This is the line that they are talking about. Do you see? Whereby you got H4 and 4, and you also got F3 and 0. This one I can name it as 0.1, this one is 0.2 there. Do you see? So now I can substitute there, meaning this will just become like that, they open and close this, and don't forget that here it's positive there, here minus and minus. So when I substitute, guys, my x2 there, it's 3 there, and now my x1 there, it's 4. Do you see? X1, and now my y2 there, it's 0 there, meaning that where there is y2 I'll put 0 there, and now my y1 it's 4, meaning that I'll put 4. Do you see? So now I should press everything there on a calculator. So when I press everything there on a calculator, or you can press each thing there so that you go step by step. If I can press only this on my calculator, I'll just get 1. Only press that one, they will give you what? 16 there. Do you see? And now your final answer will be 17, just like that there. HF there, 14. Do you see this thing? Then you can say units. You can say units there, as you can see. So this one, you can leave it as your final answer. Leave your answer in squared form. Just leave your answer in squared form there. Which is that question there. It was what? It was 3.1.4. And now the next question there, which is our last question for the video, because this thing, guys, it continue with a next question. Let me check something. Okay, this one I'll do it on the next video there. It's for a perpendicular, it's perpendicular lines. Okay, so calculate the coordinate of M, the midpoint of HS there. They need the midpoint of HS there, meaning from H until S, we should find what? A midpoint, a point which is in the middle there. Because they told you that calculate the coordinate of M, the midpoint there. So it will say there, this is the equation that you will use, x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 and 1. Do you see this thing? And now let me focus to those 2 points there. The point of S there. S, guys, there, if you can check there, it's 0 and minus 1. And our H there, it's 4 and 4 there. whereby here I can say it's x, y, 0.1 and 0.2 there. Yeah. So this is what I will do there. I will substitute now. This is how I will substitute all that thing, which is plus divided by 2. My x2 there, it's 4. And my x1 there, it's 0 there. As you can see, my y2 there, it's 4. And my y1 there, it's what? It's -1. They put it inside brackets. So now you can press your calculator, start with your x value there, you'll get 2, go with that one there. That one there will just give you a what? Will give you a 3/2 there, which is a fraction. Then you can leave your answer like that there. So guys, I hope you did understood this video, guys. It's hard to explain when you don't have a calculator, but I will borrow a calculator, guys. But I hope that you did understood this video. Then the last question there, I'll do it on the next video there. So all the best, guys, for your studies. Yeah.